Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Abdul Alim. Now I will present about our final project, which is the Jom Makan Cafe system. Okay, now I will explain about the executive summary. Okay, so for the executive summary, Jom Makan Cafe can serve as office staff and the business people employed in every with high quality beverage and like other foods as well. With an emphasis on delivering quality at pace, we will offer special discount drinks and others with an indoor seating area with room for 25 guests. We also can sell coffee to take away as well as eat in. Although there are other cafe shops in the regions, we believe there is a demand for more. Especially that those are concentrated on the high quality product. We are also going to have a light lunch menu and pastry that we feel like distinguish us from other nearby cafe shops. We are on busy street and hope to get personalized during the day by passerby. Jamaica Cafe will Cafe will look forward to building consumer loyalty with regions and introducing a new framework that will make its access uh, more competitive and progressive. And to continue generating interest within our customer base, we will retain a core offerings but rotate special periodically. And after that, I will go for the introduction. Okay, for the introduction, actually, cafe is loved by almost all. So, some was 330 million people eating at the cafe are said to be eating every day in the US. There's a lot of cafe here in comparison with the other firms. What makes it more appealing to enter the cafe industry is the low starting cost. Actually, around $200,000 is used by most individuals to open a cafe. And this money also is not that much in the scheme of things, given what is involved in opening a business. The second thing that makes cafe business is very attractive is that it have a higher profit margin, and then say in a restaurant, even though it is food service then and has the highest knowing away rate than any other business, and this is an advantage too. So cafe is also a very attractive business, and everyone wants to be associated with a certain cafe that visits regularly and always tell their friends about it. When talking about the other retail establishments that they may patronize, you will not notice individuals exited like this now. And I will talk about the problem statement. Okay, so for problem statement, there are three things that actually quite quite a problem for the employee and the other customer, and which is hard to track customer order when transit time, and after that some customer might be neglected due to all employee occupied, and yeah, less easily the order taken from customer might be wrong because there might be some change due to the order. And after that, I will talk about YouTube. Okay, so far our objective is to build an app that can manage all customer order in more manageable and efficient way. This app can be used by a chef, a cashier, and a waiter. All you have to do is click on the table ID button and then press the status button, and this action will trigger a call with two inputs to a suitable REST API, which is table ID and status. Okay, so this call to the REST API will change the selectables table status. And now we'll talk about the proposed solution. Okay, so for proposed solutions, actually we got three, as we already know our three problem statement. Okay, so for this proposed solution, first one is actually we track all the order online and all the data will be shown to the employee device. So basically, it's going to be easy for the employees to remind them about their customer's order. And after that, the users can just order the stuff on the device provided at the desk without employees' help. So basically, this is to avoid the uh, confusions between the employee and the customer. And after that, the user can just change the order on the device without needing to inform the employee. This is because during a present time, the employer might not notice the employee, and somehow this might be a good thing to customer since they can easily change the order. And then this is our flowchart, which is start retrieve data from the support, and then the customer going to make order, and after that actually they are going to submit order. If they are not going to submit order, then they need to make an order again, and if yes, this is going to display the order to their employee and for the result, Jamaica Cafe order system home will show the current view for each of them. Indicate the table by reference to the status of the order is at the word now. From the home tab, the server will look at the available table item on the home screen until the customer is put on an empty table or a table that has been set. Customer will search the QR code contained on the respective tab as indicated by the server. The QR code will take the first screen of the customer to the website that shows the food forms to place an order. The first screen will show the order receipt that has been made as a guide to the customer until the customer places an order, and the customer will see the order status that was put to the home on the home view. And after that, the online status will change to order, and a list of order will be shown on the next homepage of the screen as well. The cook will see the order put and take the next step in the preparation of the order, and the cook will alter the status of status of the order to in progress or to complications, and the server can see the change taking place at home and deliver the foods to the desk of the customer and change the status to serve. And the server will update status on housekeeping and availables after the client leave the table until the table is packed and ready to receive the next client. And then for this question, okay, so for this question, Jom Market Cafe House order system is used the REST API as a forum for the storage of the cafe information. There are four main methods involved in the REST API, which is namely as post, update, get, and delete. Post is used to send data ingestions, which is JavaScript object relations format to the REST API. Update is used to change the current data. Get is used to view or retrieve REST API data. The system used AJAX to retrieve the necessary data for data retrievals using that. While the system use a flash for data and data transmission, which is POST, the smartphone division system is developed using MAIT app developer because it's easy to use and coding is a block of code that can be used for existing block. Each meal has its own QR code for convenient customer to order food simply by scanning the QR code status chain from smartphone. And then for the conclusion, the idea of the Internet of Things is that the virtual world of information technology is related to the actual world of things. Internet technologies such as RFID and sensors make our life easier, safer, and more relaxed. By using this technology, we are convinced that Jamaica Cafe show will have a better management on their daily service, and at the same time they can improve the impressions to a customer that comes to it. So basically it's going to benefit the cafe the most, since everyone's going to be attracted because of this feature. Okay, that's all for the presentation. Thank you.